Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your favorite Nigerian boy, YouTuber boy D Black, based in Ibadan. Welcome to a new video. In this video, guys, take you with me on a tour of this nearly completed four-bedroom house, four-bedroom detached house in Kolabo, Ishola GRA, Akobo, Ibadan, Nigeria. Actually, there's like 4 units of ongoing constructions in this particular place in the GRA. And today in this video, I take you on this particular building, this four-bedroom. So we're about to tour this nearly completed building. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video by smashing the like button and subscribing to my channel, guys. You know how I do, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. More interesting video will be on this channel for sure. More videos like this is the kind of video I make, guys, so make sure you subscribe to your boy and stay glued to my channel. I hope you're gonna enjoy what you see, guys. Let's keep it going. Hi guys, welcome to your boy D Black. Welcome to my channel, guys. And as you can see, I'm currently here at the ongoing construction of a four-bedroom house in Ibadan, Nigeria, guys. So this is the living room. You can see it's kind of spacious. It's spacious out here, and this is a staircase to the rooms up there. As you can see, guys, let me show you how spacious this living room is. This living room, you can see it's POP tiles up there. Really cool, so cool. So this is the living room. Right behind the living room, you get to see the kitchen, guys. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen, ooh, look at that, guys. It's very cool. Electricity fixed there. And guys, this is the kitchen. You can see it's still going on construction. This house is under construction right now. And these are cool features here. Ooh, it comes with this gas. Guys, check it out. Check the house. You're getting all this when you buy this house. This house is going for 170 million here in Akobo GRA. Very high bar place in Ibadan, Nigeria. You can see this is the backyard. This house is actually fully detached house, guys. So let's keep on going. Let me take you to the room. Guys. So let me take you to the room. Let's go upstairs to the room, guys. Let's go upstairs to the room. I'm gonna show you the rooms of these houses, guys. So guys, first let's check this room. This is the first room. Ooh. Wow, guys, this is really spacious. This is spacious. You can see that, guys, with a wardrobe. Comes with a wardrobe, guys. This room comes with wardrobe. You can see that. Ooh, really like. Ooh, this is the toilet and the shower. Really spacious toilet, guys. Very spacious place. So let's go check out the other rooms here. Let me show you. 1, 2. So guys, this is another room here. It's actually spacious as well, as you can see, with the cool wardrobe features. You can see, guys, this is how spacious this place is. Let me show you very well. So guys, and also it's fitted with the POP and some electric device already. And just check this out. Check this room out. This is another room here. Yes, showed you like 2 rooms right now, and the cool wardrobe features as well. POP fixed already. Lightning, the light is fixed. And ooh, guys, look at it. There is a mirror here. In your wardrobe, you get a mirror. How cool is that? Also, you can have a view of the surroundings right here. Window, cool window. And this is the toilet here. with the shower as well. You can see that, guys. You can see that. Oh, cool. So let's go check out the last place, the last room, guys. So I showed you this already. So oh yeah, so this is it. Actually, this room is just like a library. You just make it a library. This is a room and also a library here. A room and a library, guys. So this is it. Check it out. What do you think? Let me know what you think of this place, guys. If you really like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And guys, this is the balcony where you get to, enjoy the breeze, cool breeze of this building. You get to enjoy the cool breeze of this building here. Get to enjoy the cool breeze here. So guys, can see when you just chill here, and now have a nice view of the environment. Yeah, guys. So let me take you down. You can see there's some works going on right there. They're working. They are trying to, cement and concrete all this place. So guys, this is actually work in progress. Let's go down. Let's go to the environment. Let me take you to the environment, guys. Let's go to the environment and take you around the environment. So guys, I hope you're gonna like this video, share, subscribe to my channel. More interesting videos will definitely be up, guys. More interesting videos will help. If you really want to see more video of constructions in Ibadan, Nigeria, Lagos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like this video, share. You can see, guys, I think they're trying to make this place look like this already, guys. So it's like a concrete floor. So it's really cool features. It's really cool, guys. Cool. All right. Yeah, see, guys, it's fully detached apartment. It's fully detached apartment, guys, and you can see, take you to the front again. It's fully detached apartment, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy what you see. Fully detached apartment with the security house right there. Security house there. And this is the environment, guys. Let me know what you think, guys. You can see, guys, this is the environment. And here in Akobo GRA, Kolakboshola GRA, Ibadan, Nigeria, guys. Right on. A lot of work in progress. Work in progress, guys. Yo, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you really like what you see, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing to you more construction videos, development videos that's happening in Nigeria. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys, and still subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.